working. I will use this one. Hi guys, today I've got the combat survival kit, which is I'm going to unbox it and we will see what are actually inside the box. So this one you can see here, combat survival kit. In this box especially I am interested in fire starter kit. I will do the experiment later and I will give you the actual result from this. Without further delay, let's open it and we'll see inside it. It looks like it's a proper hard box with waterproof. Let's open it now. Survival instructions. First of all, it looks like a chainsaw something. Let's have a look. Wow, it looks like a proper handle here, and we can do something from this one. Maybe cutting tree, something like that. So move on to next. We got the blade or something like that. What is it? Yeah, it looks like a very tiny blade. I don't know what to do with this one. So move on to the next object. Small little candle. Next one, I don't know what is this purpose means. Anyway, let's move on to next. Yeah, this one is the whistle. Next one, small fish liner with some hooks. Next one, yeah, you can see here compass, northeast, southwest. Next, yeah, mini pencil. Next one, sewing kit. It might be useful in the survival situation, I don't know. Next one, what is it? Looks like if you lost somewhere in the jungle, you can light it to the sun so that someone can see you from the very far distance. It looks like this one is the main fire starter kit. I don't know, maybe this one is for the fire starter with stone or something. Let me have a look on the instruction. If no matches, use flint and steel or stone, chemicals, magnifying glasses or spectacles. I think this one looks like making fire in it. I found out this one is the fire starter, guys. If we contact hardly on the steel or any of the stone, we can make a fire from this one. So I will demonstrate with this small rod because this one got the steel. I'll do a little bit fire sparkling so that you can see. Yeah, you can see here we have to put dry grass or something underneath so that it can catch the fire. Yeah, this one is the fire starter. Definitely we can make a fire from this one with any steel or any iron. We can make with stone as well. You can use iron as well to make a fire. Hi guys, as I said earlier, I will experiment the combat survival kit, which is this one. I am now at the middle of woodland area, which is you can see around this. I got only combat survival kit. As per instruction, we need at least one steel or maybe one metal with this one, including this fire starter to make the fire. So I brought a small knife as a iron. I will use this one, including this one. I will use small woolen, which is as part of this survival kit. I'll use this one and some dry grass around this area. We'll have a look how is it working. So without delay, let's make a fire. I'll leave this one here. I'm getting one small iron piece and fire starter, and I'll use this one small woolen piece to make the fire. First of all, before starting the fire, I will collect some dry grass and some dry sticks so that we'll see it's working or not. Let's collect some dry grass. I will only demonstrate with this one if it is working or not. So first of all, I'll leave this dry grass here and get ready with this small woolen piece as a fire starter. Now let's try if it is working or not. It's making fire, but it's not easy as it is. We need little bit hard work for this one. So before this one, I'll put some dry grass here. It's actually working. Now you can see here, guys, actually this method is working. So as a safety purpose,
I will stop this fire.
I just wanted to test this fire starter with metal piece or any of the steel piece, if it is working or not. So I just proved that it's working, but we need a little bit more dry grass to make a fire. That's all for now, guys. This is Combat Survival Kit. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.